Hi friends, in today's video we will be sowing some seeds in the seedling trays. Once the plants are grown well, then we can transplant the saplings from seedling tray to the main container. That's a different story again, but I have got different varieties of seeds here. Different varieties of tomatoes, a few varieties of brinjals and few varieties in bottle gourd and all. Anyway, we'll be sowing these seeds in the seedling trays today. I should have done this sowing seeds in the month of June. I could not do it because of different reasons anyway. We'll be doing it in this video. I hope you enjoy watching it. My name is Sampath and welcome to our Gardener English channel. Before wasting much time, let's get into the topic. Here I have got some cocoa peat. This is cocoa peat. I have purchased a cocoa peat block of 5 kgs and then I have soaked it in water. Then of course it got expanded. Let it sit for about 2 days. Then I squeezed water out of cocoa peat and then here is the result. And here I am taking the old used soil. You can take any soil, maybe red soil or black soil or something, and you can mix some vermicompost or cow dung manure in it. So this one, the one that I'm using is already a mixture of cow dung and red soil, also leaf compost. So I'll be taking this about, let me show you the quantities later. I'll be adding 1 to 2 spoons of Epsom salt in it. I'm not going to do any seed treatment, but if you're doing it in a bulk quantity or huge quantity, then you can definitely do seeds treatment. Nothing but you can soak seeds in waste decomposer liquid or sour buttermilk, or cow milk also helps actually. Also biofertilizer slurry. You can mix 1 to 2 spoons of trichoderma viride in about a bowl of water, and then you add seeds to that mixture and let it soak for 2 to 3 hours. Then you take the seeds out. If you sow the seeds in that way, seeds will germinate faster and seed-borne diseases may not occur to the plant. It's a long story, right? Let me start the work. Now I'll be sowing these different varieties of tomatoes, and here we have yellow pear tomato, tomato blue green. This is regular tomato. This is Gajapati tomato, nothing but it comes in a bigger size, maybe approximately 200 to 300 grams. One fruit would size about 300 to 400 grams. Blueberry tomato, wine tomato, red grape tomato, custard apple tomato, chocolate cherry tomato, and this is Kasi tomato. This is native variety. And I am also sowing these different varieties of brinjals. I have got black beauty and long white brinjal, rosa bianca and black long brinjal. Did you see these? Earthworms in our pot. For the potting mix, I took equal portions of cocoa peat and soil. Soil that was actually combined with manure. If you're not having this old soil, maybe you can use a fresh soil as well. You can take cocoa peat 50%, soil 25%, and the remaining 25% would be compost or manure. And to this mixture, I'll be adding about a handful of Epsom salt. The consistency of the potting mixture should be like this. Only then seeds will be able to germinate easily and grow better. It should be free flowing and it should be moist enough as well. Now I'll be filling the potting mixture in this seedling tray. Make sure the pockets, seedling pockets, are having drain holes. I'll be making tiny holes to each of these pockets so we can drop the seed and cover it. The depth of the hole should be approximately 1 to 2 centimeters. This is black cluster brinjal. It's a long variety. We only have limited seeds, so I'll be sowing about 4 to 5 seeds. Now I'll be moving on to the tomato varieties. Just like brinjals, I will also be sowing I'll be dropping 2 to 3 seeds in each pocket. Usually tomato seeds have higher rate of germination. You should actually prepare labels before sowing the seeds so that you will be able to recognize the variety of the seedling. But for me, I will not let any seedling go waste, so I will definitely plant all the seedlings. I'll be closing the hole with the same potting mix we have. Now I'll be giving little mist to the seedling tray. Next step I'll be doing is I'll be covering these seedlings with these drip trays. I'll keep them like about 2 to 3 days in the shade itself. Once I notice the seedlings are about to germinate, I'll take out these drip trays and I will slowly let these seedlings get used to the sunlight. Which means I'll be keeping these seedling trays in shade for about 2 days, and later I'll be keeping these seedling trays in a place where they would get about 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight. Once the seedlings are completely germinated, I'll keep the seedling trays exposed to sunlight for full day. Usually the seedlings will take about 7 to 10 days for germination. It will take about 1 to 2 months for the seedlings to grow well and settle well, develop the root stock well, so that we can take them out from the seedling tray and transplant them in a pot separately. That is all in this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this. I'll meet you again in another video. Bye bye.